sources. First of all, sources. Where can we read from? Where we are supposed to read from? Okay. Just write down sources, then I'll give you a magical line in the end. Huh? Sources. First write humanly sources, then I'll give you the magic also. Okay. Anthropology students? How many? Raise your hand. Do you believe that something like magic exists? Do you believe like something magic exists? This is an interview question for all of you anthropology students. Discuss it with me sometime. Sources mein I'll give you 3 sources which are very, very important. Okay, which are very, very important. Are you supposed to read them? I didn't tell you. I am telling you only which are very, very important. Okay, so first of all, it is India's economic development. Okay, this is a 11th standard NCERT. Okay, then another one is macro economic concepts. Is the board visible to font visible to all of you in the back? Okay, macroeconomic concepts. Clear? Then the last one is any good book. Any good book. Okay, name a few good books. Datta and Sundaram. Okay, Mishra Puri. Srirangam. Any good book of these 3. Okay, but Datta and Sundaram, Mishra Puri, Uma Kapila is also a good book, but they are written for university exams. Okay, so if I go by rating, I'll rate number 1 to this, I'll rate number 2 to this, I'll rate number 3. Reason being, Mishra Puri is a book which is written for university exams. Okay, but it has very good conceptual, explanations. Clear that? So any of these 3 you can choose, whichever suits you. Clear that? Okay. By preference, I'll go first rank with this one, Srirangam. Okay, I didn't write Ramesh Singh, and there is a reason for it. There is a reason for it. Very basic, very small concept has been wrongly explained. Okay, which may bring you in conflict with yourself, whether you are reading the right source or not. Okay, but it may take you another 6 or 7 or 8 months to find out that this thing has been wrongly written. Reason being, the book which has been written is maybe, I'm not questioning knowledge of somebody. I may question the printing agencies. I may question some other institutions, but I have found myself some errors in that book. I have read that book. Okay, so these are the standard sources for Indian economy. Indian economy ka standard source isse zyada kuch nahi. Nothing more than this is required. Okay, nothing more than this is required. Okay, now the magical line is you have to purchase them, but you have not to read them. Okay, what you have to read is